O Lord, hear my prayer. Listen to my cry for mercy. In your faithfulness and righteousness, come to my relief. Psalm 143:1. So I have another hose like this, connector hose, that is leaking, and I wondered if I could take the washer out of this side, or this one, and put it in the other one. And so what I ended up doing was I just took this little screwdriver and I stuck it down inside, in between the brass there and the rubber, and I was able to peel it out of there. I think unfortunately I did end up puncturing it, so I may have to get another one, but that is what it looks like, and it is definitely possible to get it out of there. So I think I may go ahead and try this in the other one and see if it stops it leaking. So just a little interesting thing.